If you've been seeing people get free stuff from Temu and wondering if it actually works, I tested it for 24 hours. No shortcuts, no skipping steps, just the full process. And the results were not what I expected. Before we go further, the latest working Temu free gift code is on screen right now. You'll also find it in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes in case this one changes. Part 1. What happened in the first few hours? When I started, it didn't feel real. You select items, you see progress, but nothing actually unlocks, and honestly, it feels like it's stuck. That's where most people quit. What changed after that? After a few hours, I noticed something. The system isn't random, it reacts to what you do. That means when you follow steps, progress increases. When you stop, it slows down. When you interact properly, things start moving, so it's not instant reward. It's consistent interaction, visible progress, gradual unlock. The moment most people give up. This is the key point. Most users try it once, see slow progress, and leave. But that's exactly before the system starts responding. Part 2. What actually made it work? Here's what made the difference for me. Step 1. Entering the right way. Instead of opening Temu normally, I used the link in the description. This took me directly into the free gift system. Step 2. Activating the event. Once inside, I followed the activation step. Now everything was visible. Step 3. Applying the code. Then I entered the free gift code shown on screen. This connected my account to the promotion. Step 4. Staying consistent. This was the biggest difference. Instead of quitting early, I kept following the steps, offers, tasks, interactions, and that's when progress actually started moving. My real result after 24 hours. Let's keep it honest. The system does work. Progress becomes noticeable over time. It's structured, not random. It's not instant. It takes consistency. Not every reward is high value. Final verdict. After testing it for 24 hours, this isn't fake, but it's also not as easy as it looks online. It's a system, and if you understand how it works, you can actually make progress with it. Try it yourself and comment your result. Did it start moving or stay stuck?